Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Usha and welcome to the Dreamy Panda. Today I am here to talk about Science 60's amazing education subscription boxes which help students to learn science through experiments. The CBSE Board of India has directed schools to implement experiential learning in their curriculum to ensure that students have a better understanding and a memory of what they are learning. However, due to COVID-19, the schools are closed and the classes are being conducted online. Now, Science 60 has come up with an idea to bring this experiential learning to the students through their subscription boxes which are for middle school students from class 6 to 9. If you are wondering how this works, let me explain. Students study various topics as a part of their curriculum. Science 60 has designed experiments that are based on the same topics that students are taught in school. For example, a student of class 7 may learn about acids and bases as a part of their chemistry syllabus. Science 60 would come up with an experiment that helps the student understand the concept of acids and bases. Their subscription box comes with the equipment to perform an experiment, the instructions to perform this activity, and a data sheet that helps students record the results. Let us take a look at what all do we get in one of these boxes.
The sample we see here is from the subscription box for class 7 children to understand the concept of acids, bases and salts. This is a sample instruction document which contains the name of the topic, the objective of the experiment, some background information about this topic, list of the equipment included in the box and the procedure to perform the experiment. To perform this activity, we have a variety of indicators and a set of these chemical samples that are to be tested. We have the test boards to observe the results. This is a sample data sheet that students should use to interpret the results. Students must run tests on the chemical samples given to determine the nature of each of them with the help of the indicators. Each chemical should be identified as an acid or a base or a salt, and these results are to be recorded in the data sheet for their interpretation.
Thus, through these activities, students can relate the theory and practical learning and enjoy science. This approach also helps them to learn more deeply and draw towards STEM careers in future. Another unique feature is the approach many Western countries are taking to allow their children learn more deeply even during middle school. Unlike a lab experiment in high school, here the children read the instructions themselves and perform the experiment on their own. This is pretty different from the typical lab environment where a lab instructor would show the results to the students even before the activity is performed. With the increased implementation of AI and automation in future, the workforce of future needs different skills from the workforce of the past. Researchers have summarized the concept of 21st century skills which helps the students of today and the workforce of tomorrow to develop the expertise that is needed to excel in their careers in future. Science 60's experiments and activities are designed in such a way that it helps students to develop these skills starting from middle school. They are launching these subscription boxes for students of class 6 to 9 for CBSE and ICSE board. The best part about these boxes is the price. It is affordable by parents of almost all income groups. The annual subscription for this box is as less as 3000 Indian rupees, or it is 300 rupees per box. This includes the shipping price of one box a month for 10 months, which creates an expectation and an excitement for the children to learn more. Thus, Science 60 is doing an amazing job in bringing this concept of experiential learning into the lives of middle school children. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you are new, and stay safe everyone.